Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Sunday, October the 3rd, 2010. Every weekend, we like to come out and give you a stock to watch for the week ahead. We got another one for you. Check it out. Okay, this week's stock to watch is going to be an ETF on the long side. You're looking at TZA, a small cap bear fund, but it's 3X, so keep that in mind. First off, you've got major resistance at 45.65. Minor resistance at 41.67. You're currently trading at 25.64. So there's lots of extension there. We like that. You've also got four gaps on the chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, basically points where prices actually gapped down and left a hole in the chart, and those get filled. You'll notice here you got this slow stop below the 20 line, which tells you to start looking for an entry opportunity. And right off the bat, you've got a very large bullish divergence between the low points back here. Okay, on the price chart activity. All right, on the slow stotch, it's trending higher, while price activity, the same periods, is trending lower. Okay, it tells you price is being oversold, and this is due to the market just continuously going up on the manipulation of the activity right now. But that doesn't sustain that way, so it's going to end up shifting and going back the other way. You also notice this bullish divergence is confirmed on your RSI and your MACD. Let's have a look at that. Okay, here we are looking at the MACD, and low point here, higher low here. All right, she's trending higher. Same time, price activity is still trending on the downside there. The same corresponding points. That would be, again, a bullish divergence. You're going to be a buyer of this selling, not a seller of the selling. And again, confirmed by the RSI, which is also trending higher right there. Okay, across the board. Also, a very important piece of the puzzle has come into play now. Okay, I've traded this particular ETF a couple times this year, and one of the things that has actually bothered me about this ETF is back during this time period right here, we had a major sell-off after a nice run to the upside, and was on really substantial sell volume. That would call for a peak, as volume is superseding the previous volume, the previous buy volume. So whenever you get this that supersedes everything else, that's problematic. You can still trade it, but you gotta pay close attention to this. In this particular case back here, 2 days ago, we saw buy volume supersede all previous volume, sell volume, including this one here. This is 33 million shares. This is 32 million shares. So you're now stacked higher than the previous, and that means you're actually finding a bottom. You've shifted all the chart has been justified. This right here would call for a peak and would remain in that way until volume superseded it, and that has actually just happened. So now your next move to the upside isn't a counter trend move. It's the actual true bottom, and you buy and you expect it to be a much larger move to the upside. You're also going to note that the MACD histogram is trending up, okay, while prices have been trending down, so your momentum to the downside is actually decreasing. Price is just overselling. Expect this to continue to move to the upside until you go back to the positive. And again, note the constriction of the moving averages of the MACD. They're preparing for that bullish crossover like you've seen before. Okay, all signs point north. Perfect. Okay, I definitely want to keep an eye on TZA next week, as this guy, when the market does roll over, this guy will make a move to the upside, and a big one. If you've not been to our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Quick look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer, read it and weep. God bless. Take care. I will see you in the next video.